Question, what time is it? It's only 8:56. Believe how much riding we did.
Yeah. Left here.
You lead. You lead a little bit. Why always I gotta lead?
Us?
Well, I'll race you. Let's go. Wanna race? Come on, you're a fast guy. Let's go. Come on, Ram.
I like to follow you.
Come on, Ram. Come on. Ram.
Take gears now?
Yep, I'm gonna leave you in the dust. Just let you know. Just want to let you know to be prepared, okay?
What?
I'm gonna leave you in the dust. Just be prepared.
Do something.
He's doing a helmet camera too.
What?
He's doing a helmet camera too.
Really? Not a bad idea.
Thought I'd be the only nut doing a helmet camera. Go-karts out there, ones that need repair.
Sleeping out there?
Yep. Oh. I might put them away for the winter. Okay.
Wanna go out?
Oh yeah, definitely. I'm gonna put full brake right at some